Hi, this is Kelly from Memory Bound, and I want to show you some ideas for decorating for your summer I call it the patriotic season, and a lot of us decorate for Christmas or Halloween and fall and spring, but really the summer is very fun time to decorate. It's America's birthday, it's Flag Day. You can really keep your stuff up all summer long. And we've been getting in a lot of patriotic collections. I want to show you some projects that you can make that you can put out to celebrate America at your home. One of the things I really love is this wooden cutout of the United States. And it comes like this, blank. And in this sample, Maggie covered it with some authentic paper. And then we've got a little wood frame here, and we have a phrase, "This is my country, 'tis of thee." And we have all of that here that you need if you want to make this up and put this out to display. Now, this is a block of wood, which you might have laying around at home or you might not, but that's okay because we got them here. And we've covered it with paper, and we've got the wood letters and stars that say USA that we painted, put some paper on it, and then we've got the little memo pins, and you could put photos in here, or you could put these quotes, which are cut aparts from papers, and set this out on your counter or your desk just to kind of remind you and add a little red, white, and blue to your summer. These wood palette stars that are perfect on their own, or you could add paper, clip a little photo, paint them red, white, and blue. We also have a Patriotic Card Kit that Janet designed that makes 8 cards, which you can send to somebody or you can keep and set them out for some decorations. And I'll just flip through them here so you can have a little look. Firecrackers. And check out the 2-page 12 by 12 layout that we have. It's got the great big USA on one side. It's got America and flags and stars, and that's perfect to add to your scrapbooks. Everything you need is included in the kit, and it's ready for you to assemble and add your photos. And gosh, look at all of these goodies from Foundation Decor. They just have everything from a little star that we have covered with paper and clip a little photo or a little quote in the top, and we've got a button. We've got stars that are a little bit bigger that, again, we've covered with some of our new patriotic papers and tied a ribbon around, and we even have a little cute little star charms. We have a flag that's made up out of wood, and it's got several layers. You start with this, and then you get this. And this is also a class, so if you want to come to class and make it, we have a class in June where you come in and create. The other thing I really think is cute is Uncle Sam. And he starts out like this. You get all the pieces. You can add paint, paper, any little embellishments you want, and he's cute to sit around. For all of our shadow box friends, whether you've made a shadow box kit or not, here is the 4th of July shadow box that is, I just love it in these colors. And in case you're not familiar with it, it's a magnetic frame, and these pieces just clip right in there because they have magnets on the back. So you can switch it out for the different seasons. So this is our patriotic summer one, and we have another one that's good for summer too, the great outdoors. And again, you can see they just switch in and out, and this happens to be a class in June. So if you want to come in and make this in June and then make your 4th of July I Heart America to go with it, and you can switch them in and out. We can even help you make pinwheels if you want some patriotic looking pinwheels. So get to Memory Bound and celebrate the summer and celebrate America's birthday and do a little patriotic decorating. We'll see you soon.